Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we are going to continue the series of how to actually make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So if you're enjoying the series, I highly recommend you to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for future videos, because I am going to be posting quite regularly, not only about my updates, just about this journey and a step-by-step guide. Now, what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to share with you two playlists. Okay, so this is very important for you guys to understand. Two playlists. We're going to go through the entire strategy, how I talk about it, and more than anything else, we're going to be talking about email deliverability here. How is email marketing such a primary element in your affiliate marketing journey? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to hop onto my screen in a second and we're going to be talking about the rest. Okay guys, here I am on my screen, and I just wanted to share with you first and foremost, before we go ahead, I wanted to give you an idea of what my affiliate marketing group is all about. So you can find the link in the description to this video. And if you like the series so far, if you please comment and let me know. Okay, but more than anything else, if you do like the series, also not just comment, but let me know. Hit that like button, but let me know also what you liked about the series so far and what we're going to be doing in the future. We're going to look at a lot of things that consist in this journey of $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. More than anything else, I support you guys in this group. If you want to follow along with this series, or if you want to follow along also within the group itself, sorry, let me just exit there, in the group itself, in the guide section right here. So you do need to answer some questions to get inside the group. Once you do answer those questions and I let you in, you get the whole guide to affiliate marketing one-on-one, which has everything set up for you so you can follow along. And you can also get, by the way, you need to be in this group in order for you to get one thing related to this strategy, which is the emails and the whole funnel. So the product and funnel setup and the entire traffic plan and everything else, all the emails that are here within this video right here. So for example, if I just go to this video right here, you can see that it has different sections, and here you can get Systeme.io, which is the tool that we use to build the funnel. And here I share with you not only the share code for the whole system itself, so you can have that copied for you, and then you just basically need to edit it and then set up your emails also with the share link right here. So both these two sections are specifically in the group. So if you're following along with this series, I highly recommend you to request access to the group, get in the group so that you get these two sections right here. Now, as I mentioned, we are on the journey this month. It's the end of June when I'm shooting this video. For you guys, it will be posted in July, but so far we're on a good track to getting to that $1,000 per month. We're on 300. I'm around now averaging around $300 per month at the moment, but obviously it's going to take you and me different amount of time to reach that goal. But the main thing is the structure and the plan that we're following. So let me go ahead and share with you guys that plan right here. So everything is here, and what I wanted to share with you is that there are two main steps to this plan. So if you haven't checked out the plan, I'm going to leave a playlist in the description to not only how to get $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing playlist, but also I'm going to leave another playlist for you guys so that you can follow step one. Now in step one, what we're doing is, I do have a day job. As I mentioned before in all of my videos, I do have a day job. I work full-time, guys. This is something that I do with about 10 to 20 minutes a day. That's it. I do not spend more money or time actually with affiliate marketing than that. These videos are just to document it. So on step one, I spend literally 15 to 20 minutes a day and send emails out to an offer and make a sale. This is to generate cash flow. Let me repeat that again. This is to generate cash flow. Why? Because I spend $30 a month on an email lead generation software, which gives me 100 leads, 100, 200 leads every single day. And I send out emails to those leads with an offer. So I generate a sale. That is the whole point of it. And that's all we need to do before we go ahead and actually set up this step two, which is your entire sales process, automating your sales process, and what I'm going to be talking about in this video, which is email deliverability, right? So that is step two. But step one is, until you have got that cash flow, there's no need to join step two. If you want to eliminate step one and just start with step two, then this you can start also with just setting up the funnel itself. Either way, everything is explained in the description with the email series, with the playlist that I have there. And I'm going to leave a playlist specifically to my lead gen secrets to an offer to sale with all the strategies and everything. I'm going to leave this playlist right here. Now, if you can see right here, this playlist is a training on my lead gen secrets, and it has everything since I first got started, why I got started, what I do. It has a ChatGPT strategy that you can follow right here. It has results. It has everything everything that you need. Really, honestly, everything that you need, it has right here within this whole structure. And I also have new videos. So for example, this right here is going to be coming out on later on Monday. Basically, you will already see it, but all the videos will be here. There are around 15 videos that you can follow along with training, results, everything related to my Legion secrets. So if you want access to a little bit more training on this step 1 right here, the playlist in the description will take you through that whole section there. And then we're going to go to step 2. Now, in the last video, what I've done is I've shared with you knowing your numbers. How do you actually use Systeme.io to set up your sales process with Systeme.io? We set up a landing page, we set up a bridge page, we set up emails, and these are the 3 main things that we are doing with the sales process. We're automating it. We're using a tool to automate it, and then I am sending traffic. So I'm paying for traffic, and this is all paid sources. I'm not using free traffic for these results. So the $300 per month that you see is being made right now with only paid traffic. I'm not making it with free traffic. I'm right now reinvesting that paid traffic into my business until I reach $1,000, and then I can scale it up even more and take a profit out into my pocket. So that's the whole idea concept behind it, right? It's very doable, specifically if you have a day job. I personally have a day job. I have a 9 to 5. I'm doing things, and therefore this is super important for me personally to spend less time on these elements, but have actionable structures. And yes, you got to pay for it if you have actionable structures in place in order for you to get the results. So now when we send traffic, it goes to a landing page, we collect an email address, and then we send it to the offers that we have in the email series. That's specifically it. That's the whole process. Now I'm going to be talking about email deliverability, because last time I showed you guys numbers. I showed you exactly what's happening and how to look at the numbers. But what can we do to improve the email deliverability? What can we do to actually make sure that we have a good process in place? So I use a tool called Systeme.io. It is one of the fastest growing tools and companies within this financial space in Europe. It is a company in France. If you want, you can get a free account, as I've shown you before. There's going to be a link to this as well in the description. So there are going to be 3 links in the description, guys. One is a link to my product itself, where you're going to get free training and get access to my email list, which is very important to be on if you're following the series, if you want to get in touch with me, etc., etc., etc. It's very important to be on my email list. Secondly, you can get this tool, and then thirdly, you'll get the traffic sources that are available right there. Okay, so all those 3 things are available very openly in my videos. So that's what you can find, and all the resources, etc., are all in the description of this video. So it's a free tool to get started until 2,000 contacts. I'm using it as a free tool. Currently, I have, and let me show you guys, about 371 contacts, and I'm going to be using this until I get to that $2,000 mark, and then I will pay $27 per month, and then $47 per month, and then $97 per month. And that's what I'm going to be aiming for. That's the progression that I'm on, and I believe that you're going to do the same thing if you want to reach to that $1,000 and more, definitely with this strategy. Okay, that being said, the whole purpose of it is to send traffic. So I send paid traffic to this page right here. Show you, people enter their email address, they go to this page right here, which is a small training that you can see, and then they can click on, and then they can click on the offer if they want the offer, or they can click on any of the images, which will go to the offer as well. And basically it has all the proof and results that are available right here for me specifically, that I've done in the past few months. So this is something that's really interesting for me to send and make sure that is converting for me. That's the process. And again, landing page, bridge page, and then offer. Now the emails itself, when they go to the offer, let me show you. If I go to funnels and I go to the funnel itself, now you will be able to import this funnel as I mentioned. If I go to automation rules, you see that when people are subscribed here, they basically are subscribed to a form, and the form goes to a tag, and this tag right here will generate an email campaign. As you can see, I've set up an email campaign. So this email campaign starts off with an email, and then goes to a 35, almost a month of emails that you can see right here. So people will go through the entire list. They will open, they will click. I'm growing this. It's getting better, deliverability and everything else. So we're going to go to settings and show you how this has changed from, I had a high risk account because I was not doing things correctly. And then I changed things up in terms of just how there are a couple of things I changed to get better deliverability. So I wanted to share with you guys that now. It might be a little more advanced, but you can come to this video once you've set things up and you want to have more information about it. I still wanted to make the video so that you guys have it. Now, in order for me to generate these kind of results that you can see right here, the deliverability depends on 2 factors. One is it definitely depends on the emails that you're writing. So the headlines, the subject, the email title, that is not spammy. And secondly, the open rate. So this is something that I'm focusing on right now. The open rate of mine is getting to around 20%. As you can see, the first email, second one is still 10%, but I want to get all of these to at least 20% open rates for everything. So now I'm averaging, I would say, around 15% open rate. If I go to the statistics right here, you can see actually it's around 13.5% open rate as of today, but it's on average. So it grows. Sometimes it's 14, sometimes it's 15, but I definitely need to get this up to around 20% on average, the open rates that I see right here. So that's my aim. Okay, so for all my emails to get it to around 20% open rate. This helps my email deliverability. Secondly, now this is also looked at every 2 weeks, every 14 days they look at this, and that's the first thing. Okay, the second thing that is very important, I'm going to show you guys this right now, is that I will open my last email that I sent out as a newsletter, and I want you guys to see that the sender email address is david@getpaidwithdave.com. This means that I have a domain set up, and I'm going to show you where you can see that. But I have a domain set up. If I go to here, settings, and I go to domains, custom domains, you can see right here, it has one domain that I have, which is basically for my funnel. This helps with the email deliverability. Okay. Secondly, if I go to, I believe it is mailing settings. Yes, you can see right here, it's verified. And now this email is also verified. So now I have a specific email address that is used, which helps me with my deliverability. So this is one factor. Do you have an email domain? It costs about, I think I'm paying around $28 per year. So it costs about $28 per year just to have the email domain set up. I use it through GoDaddy. But that's one thing. And then obviously it is the kind of emails that you're writing. So this is super important. The kind of emails basically means the titles, and that you're not using spammy words and everything like that within the emails itself. But mainly it is the titles and the domain that makes the difference. So now I've already improved that. I'm trying to get it to a good risk management strategy so that they don't boot me out of using it. Because the thing is, when you copy paste emails, guys, that's the thing. When you copy paste emails, there's a lot of spammy emails, unfortunately, that marketers have. So which is why I personally take them and edit them according to my voice and my structure as an affiliate marketer. That is specifically it. So these are the things that have changed. I might do some additional changes to the titles, but for now I'm seeing kind of good open rates with this. So let's keep it for the next month. It's just something that I wanted to share with you that affects the email deliverability. Now, this only will apply to you. I'm going to go back to the strategy, right? This will only apply to you if you do not, if you're using this step 2 right here. Okay, this will only apply to you if you're using the step 2 right here. If you're on step 1, all I suggest for you to follow is go to My Legion Secrets, which you can find a link in the description of this video, and then email every single day using the strategies that I share with you within this email series. So for example, in this email right here, move away from the paid promotion, but this email right here is this video right here is my specific strategy to ChatGPT itself, using ChatGPT to write an email and send it out every single day to my list. I do not have email templates. I write my own emails every single day, which is why I'm saying it takes me around 15 to 20 minutes to write an email, which I send to an offer. I do not send it to a landing page. I do not send it to an opt-in page or anything like that. I do not send it to this page, for example. No, I send it directly to the offer so that I make a sale. Now, just to show you that this works and this is proof, I'm going to go to Warrior Plus. And let's just go to Warrior Plus and go to Wallet right here. I should be logged in. If I'm not, I will have to log in again. Okay, so I'm logged in right now. And if you go right here, and I will show you, go to transactions. Okay, I'm going to go to transactions. And I am going to just put the month of June so that you guys see kind of how it is. Okay, so let's go to June, just June, and then we will do MLGS. So you see that in June so far, I've made $500 worth of sales and $300 worth of commissions. And if I search My Legion Secrets, 249 is from My Legion Secrets. And as you can see, I have tracking code of sub. This is just purely commissions that have come through. I made 12 sales this month. Okay, by following the strategy as I mentioned below. So My Legion Secrets, going straight in offer, people buy it, I get a commission. Now I'm using this amount to buy more traffic, to get more traffic to my offers. So basically, so I have these traffic sources that are here, which are all high quality traffic sources. And I use these solo ad and Google PPC ad. These are the traffic sources that I use personally at the moment, and it might change and I might add more and so on and so forth. but these are the traffic sources that you can see right here. They're all high quality converting traffic sources that have helped me get conversions. And if you guys want to see, let me show you. If I take away the MLGS and I just show search, you will see that there's system traffic right here, sales, there's system. So that means that my funnel system right here, this means that my funnel is converting itself to get sales. So these traffic sources are working. I have these traffic sources that I send to this page right here. So I pay for those traffic, I send it to this link. This link collects the emails and then follows the entire process that I mentioned. It's very important to understand that the email deliverability is getting better as we go along. You need to look at these numbers. I think it's very important to look at these numbers, but I wanted to show you guys, do not worry about this step if you are not making cash flow. I think the most important thing for me, as always, is to make this cash flow. So I'm just going back and I want to show you guys this. Generate cash flow. Step number 1 is super important. If you're in this series and you're not making cash flow yet, all I need you to do is focus on getting my Legion secrets, paying $30 a month, sending an email every single day so that you start to generate a cash flow. Once you start to generate a cash flow, then we can go ahead and talk about everything else. I'm going to leave also a link to getting started step 1 or the other playlist. So if you go to my channel, okay, so let me just show you. If you go to my channel and you go to playlist right here, and you will see that in the playlist, there is this playlist right here, which is basically how to get to $1,000 per month, the complete overview, and all the videos that I've done so far. I've done 6 videos so far. All of them are going to be in the description, so watch them. And if I'm not mistaken, this one right here only talks about my Legion secrets. So it's the first video right here that only talks about my Legion secrets and how to actually get started. Okay, this is the step 1 literally of getting started, and I talk about it right here in this video. So my recommendation is to have a look there and see how it's going. You can see everything that you need. And with regards to the deliverability, your aim is always using this is always to get to at least being at a moderate risk is okay, but you should be in the gray zone. So getting to at least 20% in open emails and making sure that you have a domain. Now I will make a separate video on domains, and I will be making a separate video on the other elements that help with this deliverability, but I wanted to just give you guys an overview in this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it, hope you got some value from it. If you are in this series, and like I said, I'm here to help you, make sure that you get into the Facebook group. If you haven't got Systeme.io yet and you're interested in getting Systeme.io, the link is in the description. All the resources are in the description. I look forward to supporting you in the group. I look forward to getting you to $1,000 per month, which is also what I am on. We're on this journey together, and I want to encourage you guys to take this because it can be done at the side of the day job. Remember, I'm spending not more than an hour a day doing this work. Actually, much less than an hour. I'm exaggerating by saying an hour. I'm not hyping it up. I'm just being realistic. Yes, it means that I am paying for it. I'm not doing free methods. This is all paid methods in order for me to get these kind of results. Have a great day. Keep aiming the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.